Hey guys, so today I'm going to be doing an unboxing on this new kind of Rubik's brand. I have the other kind, it doesn't turn that good anymore, but this is the new kind. So I'm going to open it real quick. Okay, first turns. Okay, I can already tell it sounds different and turns way better. I can already tell it turns way better than the old one. That's an H perm. Hold on. So apparently there's like a new, I don't think there's a ball cord. The old one had a ball cord. That might not be a ball cord. Because look, it would have been white on that corner thing. It could do U2s with one flick. This is like a legit speed cube, and it also sounds like one. I ain't saying this is like main material, because this is not really. Oh, there's a kind of spring noise there. And yes, guys, it's still tiled. Kind of a spring. I'm gonna do a solve on it, just to see how the solving experience goes. Oh, excuse me. Just to see how the solving experience goes. Okay, let me mix it up a bit more. Okay, so let's get started. So you start with making the cross. Oh, I hate it when I do that. Just drop the cube in the middle of the solve. After I do this practice solve, I'm going to time myself with my stack mat timer. Okay, look for that. Okay, what algorithm is this? Lefty J perm, and now a U perm. There it is. So yeah, that's the unboxing on this new kind of Rubik's brand 3x3. Let's see if you can twist corners. Yep, you can. Kind of sounds like a speed cube. Hold on, I'm gonna hold it up to the mic. Yeah. So I guess that's about it for the new Rubik's brand. Oh, I forgot corner cutting. Okay. Does reverse, but if you go any farther for reverse, it doesn't. What about for this? Okay, what about this? Wow, that corner cutting is pretty good. That's not bad. Let's see the shades. Might be the same as the old one. And it is. So yeah, I guess now for real this time, that's about it. That's all I have to say about it. I mean, I guess it turns good. So that's pretty much it. So bye. So guys, this is my old one. It's kind of loose. So here's, hold on. You could probably tell which one's older and which one's the new one. Yes. This one's the new one, this one's the old one, because look at that logo. I mean, this one don't turn that bad. For the most part, I made it turn better, but because I kind of cleaned the insides of this. And this is a speed cube. So yeah, that's really it.